Okay, we're gonna show the people we're not shy like, what mad people? Come to the shop with the Sunday plate, me bro. But I need to let the Sunday lunch go down in me. What's up, it's your boy Kelemendrax back with another bang, and today we are going to be trying the famous Sunday plate. If you don't know what the Sunday plate is, guys, you're not from Cape Town. And I urge you, whoever doesn't know, to watch this video to the end so that you have an idea of what the Sunday plate is. But yeah, we're gonna take you through it, and I'm gonna tell you my honest opinion on what it tastes like. 1 out of 10. My mommy made the food. So mommy, if I give you honest facts, don't hate me. I love you. But yeah, for everybody that has been showing love and support, I do appreciate it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But local is liquor. And with that said, let's keep it local. Let's keep it liquor. Alright, so before we start, you guys probably wonder like, why do you always see me sitting and eating outside and doing everything outside? Correct! Because the lighting is good, man, and I want to give you guys quality experience. So what let's say, let's get into it. You know, most men, we must start, and I know a lot of people always leave the chicken for last, but this time I'm gonna have to eat the chicken first. You know, me and you, we're not the same. We are not the same. Yeah. And don't compare your men's Sunday tight or Sunday plate with mine, please. And oh yeah, sorry, the portion is small. The portion is small. Worst decision. The portion is small because I already had the Sunday plate, but I forgot to shoot the video, or I forgot to take my mic with me anyway, and so I had to bring back like seconds, and so yeah. Wow. I'm not even gonna lie to you, my bro. Chicken, 10 out of 10. Shout out Southern Wind Coating. I think that's the name of the coating, but it moer. Het slaan af, na het doen moer, na heavy titles. And obviously the ease for you, Mr. Cameraman, don't stress about it. But Sunday plate must have in any South African household. And those people that don't have, guys, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Because if you guys show love, I'll be able to show some love back to you, man. You know what I mean? But yeah, I have to take another bite of the chicken. And you also wondering, like, my bro, you sitting here, the flies or last stuff. But listen, I already dedicated myself to the video. Nah, but it's good, it's good, it's good. Look here, check out my fans there, man. This time is really fans. So the chicken, I give it a shot. Okay, you know what, mommy? The chicken is dry. The chicken is dry. Nah, I'm just joking, yo. My bro, my mommy never kill me with doing stuff like that. Chicken is good. I tried it a solid 8 out of 10. Mainly because you used Southern Wind Coating, which is already a flavor on its own. But it is good. It's good. As gaar mean that it's not raw. I was going to say that it's raw. It's not raw. It's rare.
You a genius.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's the word. It's rare. And then we're going to have to move on to the potatoes. You know what? You know what? Suspect. This thing. Because the flies was operating around this thing while I was doing the intro. But I'm not a real cullet if I don't eat it just like it. So let's dig into the potato. Hmm. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 out of 10. Maybe not a 10 out of 10 because it's far cold. I would have liked to home this food, but guys, here you won't understand what I go through to make content for you guys. And I hope you guys do appreciate it. Leave something in the comment section and also let me know what you think is, yeah, I don't know how to put it, but like people only do it in South Africa or Cape Town specifically. And yeah, to balance everything out, you must have that rice. And if you don't know what geel rice is, now man, then I don't know. Mm. There's my daddy's car. My daddy's gonna leave now. I don't even know why my real daddy don't even guys, help me, man.
Help me! Help me!
Do you know what this is? If you know what the name of this is, let me know, because I don't know what the name is. Maar joh. Timmer. Ase groot man. Ja, dan moet je worry nie, ek sal so maak. No. Nenenberg Rangers, top team guys. Go and check that man out. They're doing the most. Of we nog 'n interview slaan met hy ou man, nou. Ase respect groot man. Sunday plate in the sun. See that guy? Very wise. Before he left now, he told me, don't let the sun go down on you. Much love, groot man. Appreciate it. But I need to let the Sunday lunch go down in me. Sweet corn, cheese, and squashy or something. I do eat vegetables, maybe not every Sunday, but yeah, squashy. No? I think out of the whole setup, this feels like something different, man. Like you don't have it every Sunday, so. And chicken and potato and rice is like a staple. People have it every Sunday, but this definitely nah. So I could see myself eat like 10 of this on a Sunday. But that's only if they don't make it every Sunday. But there's more. There's more. You know what I've got? I've got to buy a cool drink. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to the shop. Go and buy a cool drink. But if you think I should have made a better choice, put down in the comment section what you enjoy after a Sunday lunch. And it's almost like I'm forcing you to put something in the comment section. Put something in the comment section, show your love, subscribe, and like the damn video. Oh, bye. You alright, my bro? Skak, man. Kijk, jij moet stoten en dan kan ik bij je cool drinken. Zie je? Kijk, and you know what? Okay, we're gonna show the people we're not shy like, what mad people come to the shop with their Sunday plate, my bro? It's only me, I'm doing the most out there. Bye! 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 Bye, Wally Kaiki. Bye doesn't want to look by Simon. You're not like me. We weren't cut from the same cloth. So I must start giving me stuff for free, my bro. I'm making the shop famous. Bye! I can get for free this one cool drink. Huh? How, my bro? Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with this buddy, my bro. You must always pay for stuff, yeah. As jy was siek, my bro. Ah, say, kykie, my bro. Respect, my bro, man. Respect. So, yeah, sy sien sy. Ek kan nie, I can't help it, man, guys. I don't have money. Bye. Wals jy nie die? Nah, eat me, bro. Ek het die goalie, man. Ek het die goal. Kan ik weer achterpoot nu? Yeah, guys, listen here. Not everybody has me, bro. So we must be grateful for what we have, people. You know what? I feel so sad now because of what our people have to go through and whatever, guys. And I would like to actually do something nice for them. I have been trying and whatever. But what you guys love and support, it doesn't cost you anything, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if I grow, I'll make sure that I help the people in the community that really needs help. Peace out.